Hey guys, Crypto Mentor 99 back again with another video. It's about my 8th video. It is still February the 20th, 2025, coming to you from international, global, galactic headquarters. And when I'm here, I just do a lot of thinking. And when I do a lot of thinking, I want to get these videos up for my adult children, the grandkids, and if YouTube is still around, and I surely won't be, but they'll have something to look back and see what Papa was yapping about back in the day. So no matter how complex people's jobs are, no matter how complex a situation is, and I've learned this from, I don't say this one guy I know. Well, yeah, this one guy that I know was an inch away from being a billionaire. And then I knew another guy that was a foot away from being a billionaire. And at the end of the day, again, however complex you want to make a job, a situation, a problem, you got to keep it simple. And there's a saying that we have sort of in the United States, keep it simple, stupid. KISS, keep it simple, stupid. And even the one guy that I knew, I haven't seen in a while, huge into real estate. I mean, like global real estate. And I used to say, hey, and I would say his name, which I'm not going to now. I'd say, what's been your secret sauce? Like, what makes you the man that you are today? And he would always look at me and say, location, location, location. So if you know anything about real estate, your location is most important, right? Where you buy your rental house, where you buy an apartment building, it's always location, location, location. And I was thinking he was going to give some huge complex answer, right? He was going to give me some 15-minute speech on how to look for a home, how to look for a property, how to invest, how to get financing, how to do this, how to do that. He would always say to me, because I think I probably asked him, I'm guessing 3 or 4 times over the course of 25 years, and he would say the same thing. He would smile at me, because I'm sure everybody's asked him the same question like a bazillion times. He would say, location, location, location. And even in my life, some younger people over the years, not a lot, have come to me and said, Crypto Mentor 99, what's your secret sauce? What keeps you in the game? This, that, and the other thing. And my advice is always super simple. And they're like, that's it. That's the answer to my question. I'm like, pretty much. The same way that my friend would say, who was in real estate, location, location, location. So again, however complex you're making a job to solve a problem, an opportunity, keep it simple. Boil it down, we say, to the least common denominator. Boil it down, tweak a few things, but it's as simple as just keeping it simple. Literally just keeping it simple. Anyhow, that's the word for today. Crypto Mentor 99 coming to you from international, global, galactic headquarters. And I wish there wasn't as many steps here. Man, my ankles and knees are getting a workout. Anyhow, that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. I better not trip or I'll be in a bad way. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family. And I feel like I'm at the top of the world. Wake up and smell the flowers, baby. Love y'all. Bye-bye.